Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will show you how to make a witch's brew. This drink is perfect for your Halloween party and can be made for adults and kids. Let us know in the comments what ingredients you like to use to create a witch's brew. The ingredients used to make this drink can easily be substituted to change the flavor. Add some color to your drink by using a flavored gelatin or liquid food color. Continue watching this video to learn how to make a glittery witch's brew. Let's get started. To make the witch's brew, start by making your desired flavor of Jello according to package directions. Place the Jello in the refrigerator for 4 hours to allow it to set up. Once the Jello has set, use forks to shred it into small pieces. To make the drink, start by adding the Jello to the cup. Then, sprinkle a small amount of brew glitter on top of the Jello. Add 2/3 to 3/4 cup of lemonade and half a cup of Sprite. Stir the drink well and serve immediately. If you plan to serve the drinks at a later time, leave out the Sprite until just before. We added brew glitter to give our drink a sparkle. Be sure to use this type of edible glitter for drinks, as it will stay suspended in the liquid much longer than other edible glitters. Also, be sure to use larger straws to allow the Jello pieces to pass through. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and give this video a like. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Let us know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this video and what videos you would like to see in the future. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, check out the Halloween playlist on our channel. Visit our website to check out all of our new products and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to see our video reels. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see your creations and how you incorporate our products into your work, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.